This video shows how to buy shares of Pershing Square Holdings Ltd, listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker PSH.L. Pershing Square Holdings Ltd is an investment holding company. This guide is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and here I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search box and type the ticker PSH.L to find the correct listing on the London Stock Exchange. Confirm the search result shows Pershing Square Holdings Ltd before proceeding. On the asset page, you will find basic company details and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the company name and exchange to ensure this is the correct share. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio or holdings list after the order executes. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.